Hi, this is Alec with Magnum Bikes. Today I'm going to show you how to use the new Magnum display. On the bottom of your control panel, there's a power button. We're just going to hold that until the display lights up. While we're talking about the control panel, we have three functions of this. We have an up button, a down button, and this M button acts as a function button. On the display, in the top left-hand corner, we have our battery. That will display how much battery life the bike has. Down below that, we have our PAS level. There are 6 different modes. The lowest setting is going to be the slowest. If you jump it all the way up into Boost Plus, that will be the fastest. Our first level is Eco. Our second level is Tour. Our third level is Sport. Our fourth level is Turbo. Fifth level is Boost. And if you press it one more time, our sixth level is Boost Plus, and that's when Boost is flashing. You can also bring it all the way down so that it's off. And that's when no words are displaying in any of these spots. In the center of the screen, you're going to see the speed. In the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see trip. We can change that by pressing the M or the function button to show odometer. That will also change the bottom right-hand corner to show our trip time. We can press it one more time to go back to trip. That will also change a couple of things on our speed. It'll show you your max speed for your trip, also your average speed. Over on the right-hand side, we have our power meter. That will show you how much the bike is outputting in watts. To turn on the lights on your bike, if you hold the up button, you're gonna see the display dim and a little light icon pop up right there. That means both your headlight and tail light are on. In order to get into your display settings, we first need to turn the display on. Once your battery is flashing, you can hold the M button. You'll see the display change. This first setting is our unit setting. This is where we can change it from miles per hour to kilometers per hour. In order to make that change, you'll press the function button once and use either the up or down arrows to change it. I'm gonna leave my bike in miles per hour. In order to save it, we'll hold the function button. This setting is where you can change the time that your bike shows. We'll again press that function button. We'll change depending on our time. For us, it's 12:45. And again, I'll press that set button to bring it back to 1 and hold to save. The next setting is the sleep setting. The bikes feature an auto off mode so that it saves power whenever the bike is not moving. We can change this to be up to 30 minutes. We'll change that now, because I want my bike to turn off after 20 minutes because I take frequent stops. This setting is our backlight brightness. It has 3 different brightness settings. Number 1, which is about 60%. Number 2, which is about 80%. Number 3, which is 100%. To get out of the settings and make sure everything saves, we'll just hold the M button. It'll bring us back to our normal display. If you have any other questions about your Magnum Bikes display, please contact Magnum Bikes customer service. Thanks for watching.